Finishing a basement or attic later while building only the shell now can save a huge amount of upfront cost while still giving you flexible future living space. When you plan shell infrastructure for future spaces, the key is to think like you are finishing the room, but stop right before the expensive finishes. Start by having the builder rough-in plumbing for any future bathroom, laundry, or wet bar so the drains and supply lines are in the walls and slab before concrete is poured or framing is closed. Make sure the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning layout includes supply and return ducts sized for the eventual finished square footage, even if you cap those ducts for now. Frame and insulate all exterior walls to current energy standards so you do not have to open them up again later, and use pressure-treated lumber at any concrete contact. Install a full stair rough-in with proper headroom, railing structure, and lighting so future finishing is mostly drywall and finish carpentry instead of structural changes. Finally, keep the floor structurally complete with joists, subfloor, and any needed blocking, but leave off expensive finished flooring until you are ready to use the space. People often make 3 big mistakes with this approach, and each one can quietly eat up the savings they were aiming for. One mistake is skipping plumbing rough-ins to save a little now, then later having to jackhammer a slab or open long sections of framing, which costs far more than doing it during initial construction. So always at least stub out drains and supplies to logical future bathroom spots. Another is undersizing the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment to match only the currently finished rooms, which leaves the future space stuffy or forces a complete system replacement. So, have a professional calculate loads that include your planned, finished basement or attic. A third issue is leaving exterior walls uninsulated or poorly insulated, which seems harmless when the space is unfinished but creates cold, damp rooms and moisture problems later, so insist on proper insulation, air sealing, and a simple vapor control strategy from day one. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make this kind of planning easier by helping homeowners find local contractors who understand how to set up basements and attics for future finishing without blowing the budget. We also help contractors find more work by listing their services and giving them access to our discussion community, where homeowners and pros share real-world tips about shell infrastructure, phasing projects, and smart budget decisions.